Happy Monday! Long time no see again. And we're going out today with my two handsome boy, his Mista, and little Baba was there. Say hiya! Hi! Yeah, hiya! Lalabas kami, maglakad-lakad. But I don't know where we're going, honey. Somewhere nice here para maiba naman, get some fresh air. Hindi kami nakalabas simula ng lockdown na ganitong Dumayo, so hopefully it's not too busy kasi nakakatakot pa rin. So on the way na kami. We get up early today, about 8 o'clock then we pero nakaalis kami ng bahay is 10 o'clock kasi itong aling maliit, late na siya gumising, kaya late na tayo nakaalis. Ako at saka si Mr. maaga, ito lang maliit. Si James late gumising, so kaya medyo late kami nakaalis, 10 o'clock na. But it's okay because it's not far, honey, isn't it?
No.
Malapit lang naman yung pupuntahan natin, so okay lang. At sana nga hindi siya masyadong busy. So, dadalhin ko kayo mamaya pagdating natin doon. Dito na kami guys sa Coventry. The place called Coombe Abbey. What?
Coombe Abbey.
Whatever. Si Mr. sabi Coombe Abbey daw, hindi Coombe. So yes, dito na kami. And we just parked the car. So we're ready to go. Dito na kami guys, naglakad. Si James happy because he saw the tractor around there. Now his little chatty box happy. Are you gonna find the elephant? Go! Ang ganda dito, malinis. Go! Quick! Can you see it? Wow, I think there's a climbing one, sweetheart. Yeah. Ang linis dito, oh. And I think that side is the hotel, honey, isn't it? It looks. So we're gonna go around that way later. Ang linis dito, oh, paligid. Which is good. At hindi masyadong matao. Si James sobrang tuwa kasi maraming animals dito. And he's looking forward to see the ducks. Maraming ducks dito, oh. Look. Be careful, be careful. Ayun, oh. Come on, Daddy. He's after the ducks. Wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Oh, squirrel, love. Look. Squirrel. May squirrel, oh. I don't know if makikita. Nandoon. Ayun, nilapitan. Natakot. Here are the ducks. Somebody's happy. Yeah. Yeah, pigeon. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah, pigeon. You can't give them a biscuit though. You wanna see the ducks? See the ducky? There. Loads of ducky. I think you can give them some biscuit, yeah? Because, I don't know.
They're not feeding.
Oh. We can't then. Because look. Not feeding. Yeah, ducks. Wow. You happy? It's the ducks. Loads of ducks. Can you count the ducks? It's a shame we can't feed them, shouldn't we? Look. And go around that way.
Oh, yeah. I just got to hold you on. I don't want you jumping in.
This is the Abbey house, guys. But we can't get off at the grass because bawal. And meron silang pa-flower effect in the middle. And that one. Meron ding playground palibot dito. Pwede mag-picnic. And there's some nice trees around this one. Tapos meron dito sa kabila. Big tree. Si James at saka si Mr. Oh, naghahabulan. Can you see them? Si James tuwang-tuwa. He's chasing the balls. Somebody's playing some balls here, but he's chasing it.
James.
Maybe we should get him one next time. Nangaano siya ng ball. Look. No, sweetie, that's not yours. No, 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 no. Put it down. That looks massive. Super greenery. Ayan, yung squirrel. Kumakain. Hiya! Hiya, Mr. Squirrel. Hiya! What are you eating there?
See that one, I need to point.
Yes, sheep. Here goes the sheep, guys. My little ones recognize it. Here he is. Happy little buddy. What's the sheep says? There's few more there. That way. So shall we go move here? Come on. Follow daddy. Come on. We'll go find more there. Maybe we'll find some cow. Look at handsome daddy. Hi. Time for some ice cream. Bili kami ng ice cream. It's 11:30 na ng tanghali. And there's a ice cream kiosk here. So, mag-queue tayo. 2 meters queue. Para bili ng ice cream. Every kiosk meron silang toilet. So, which is really good. Come on! Look at this little one, oh. Sunod ng sunod. Follow in, mommy. Go get some ice cream, okay? Come on. Hold mama. Hold mommy, come on. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming. Bumalik kayong daddy nakita. He saw you. What ice cream you want? Meron akong vanilla tub. Si James, meron siyang flake cone ice cream. And then si Mr. he's having latte. He changed his mind. Itong batang to, oh, hindi nagsasawa kalaro ng mga swan at duck. Don't share your ice cream to them, okay? Or else they're gonna attack you. This little man's walking very good so far. Malayo na yung nakalakad namin. But he never moaned, bless him. Where are we now? Hi, you are entering a site of a special scientific interest. Wow.
Woodpeckers.
That sounds exciting, isn't it? Come on then. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Paddle. Whoa! Paddle. Is mommy's gonna jump the paddle? No, mommy's got white shoes. Walk into the woods. You're gonna be snoring tonight. Guys, look at this. There's a goat ape. You gotta climb all this. Oh my god. That. And there's single rope there. That one. And there's somebody walking there across. That one. There's a little boy walking. Ayun, naka-black. What a brave boy. Ayun oh. Galing. He's gonna walk across. This is daddy's best friend. He's daddy's best friend. There's another kiosk dito, yung sa Go Ape Adventure. I think where you get the ticket. Marami ng tao. We made it, guys, to go around walking for 2 hours. So far, si James hindi nagreklamo. I'm crossing the bridge now. We're back. Where is the ducky around here? We made it. Nalibot namin yung buong place. Bit slow, pero yes, we made it. 2 hours walking. Si James, oh, nakipaghabulan na kay daddy niya. Looking the ducky. Here he is. We're heading back in the car, guys. May nagwawalang bata dito. Ayaw umalis doon sa may ducks. Because he wants to play the ducks and the swan and the pigeon. Ayun, nagmamaktol. Balik na kami sa car kasi nakabayad na kami ng car park. Dumadami na yung tao. Time check is 10 to 1. We are back in the car, people. Uwi na tayo. We enjoy our little walk. It's quite nice, honey, isn't it? Si Baba was okay. So far, sa walk natin na 2 hours. Yeah. Did you enjoy it? You've been good, haven't you? So far, hindi siya nag-moan sa walk namin na 2 hours. Pero mahina lang yung kanyang lakad, slowly but surely. And yes, we enjoy it, and it's quite a good place as well. We might come back here one day kasi malinis yung paligid niya, so which is good. Pero sabi ko nga earlier, dami ng tao ngayon, daming nag-picnic sa park and everywhere, so it's good na maaga kami kasi pag medyo late, naabutan ng dami ng tao. Kasi yung iba wala pa rin, hindi pa rin sumusunod sa social distancing. So, much better na maaga kasi maaga tayo nakauwi.